Understanding and respecting humor in cultural storytelling. Hello everyone and welcome to our next video. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that combines humor, storytelling, and cultural diversity. Respecting and valuing cultural differences in humor and storytelling. You might be wondering, why is this important? Well, it's because understanding humor from various cultures can help us appreciate our global community's rich diversity, while fostering empathy and unity. Humor is a universal language that has the power to connect people across cultures. But, it's important to remember that what is funny in one culture may not be humorous in another. This is largely due to differing societal norms, values, languages, and histories. Thus, when we share jokes or stories, it's crucial to be mindful of our audience's cultural background to ensure our humor is respectful and inclusive. Cultural context plays a significant role in humor. Jokes and stories often rely on shared experiences, knowledge, or norms that may be specific to a culture. For example, a joke about a political figure might not be understood by someone from another country with little knowledge about that politician. So, when it comes to humor, it's vital to understand the context from which it arises to fully appreciate it and avoid misunderstandings. Every culture has unique aspects that make its humor distinct. When learning or sharing humor from different cultures, we should remember to do so respectfully. This means not using cultural jokes or stories in a derogatory or offensive manner. It also includes being open to learning and understanding the meaning behind these jokes or stories, rather than dismissing them because they're different from what we're accustomed to. Cultural humor and storytelling can be a valuable learning tool. Not only do they offer insight into a culture's values, beliefs, and experiences, but they can also foster understanding and respect among diverse groups. So, let's appreciate cultural humor and storytelling for what they truly are: bridges that connect us as a global community. That's all for today. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into respecting and valuing cultural differences in humor and storytelling. It's not just about laughing, it's about understanding, respecting, and valuing the cultural context behind every joke and story. Remember, the more we understand each other, the more we can appreciate the diversity that makes our world so wonderfully rich. Until next time, keep learning, keep laughing, and keep exploring.